Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ha ki prabnai kata nadu ubnai jilliu jong usnem arajar arpo, hadu rempang jong usnem arajar arpuwei. Kidon sanspa sao po teliki sniang, kibala syakta na ka jingpang African swine flu, bad yakani la jubab da Menteri Ketanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba Preston Tensong. Haba jubab ya ka jingkali bala wanra da MLA ka Congress na Umroy constituency uba George B. Lingdo. Haka dorbar mang tengka jang ke jela kabalalong haka las ngiublay ka pratrik unai leber arajar arpuwei. Ki sanspa sao poteli ki snyang ki balayo apang ki kentum ya henry pukundai tali ha East Khasi Hills District, san pukundai tali ha West Khasi Hills, katway tali ha Southwest Khasi Hills District, kandai puhenry tali ha West Gentia Hills, arspa kandai pupra tali ha Ribhoy District, but hanyo tali ha East Gentia Hills District. Uba Preston Tensong ulu jubab baka sorkar kala penlut khat sanlak prapu hunyo hajar sanspa khandai punyo tingka na ka benta ban yakun ye ka jingpang snyang bat arlak lai pu pra hajar nyo spa sao pho tingka pan kumno ban ai jing hikai ki paj ba kumno ban le habasha len shop hakani ka jingpang.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 3. Sir, the total number of livestock, namely pigs, affected are 540. Numbers of pigs with effect from 25th June 2020 to 22nd February 2021. District-wise numbers are as follows. East Khasi Hills 69, West Khasi Hills 59, Southwest Khasi Hills 11, West Janti Hills 96, East Janti Hills 7, Ribhoy 298, and total is 540 pigs. B. Sir, the total amount spent to tackle the effects of African swine fever during the current year with effect from March 2020 till date is 15,87,597 only. East Khasi Hills 5,06,571, West Khasi Hills 1,55,933, Southwest Khasi Hills 70,539, West Janti Hills 1,98,492, East Janti Hills 38,115, Ribhoy 4,14,907, West Garo Hills 1,81,540, North Garo Hills 5,400, South Garo Hills 5,400, East Garo Hills 5,400, Southwest Garo Hills 5,400. C. Sir, the activities that have been taken up to tackle African swine fever are as follows. Preparation of SOP and IC materials, banning of interstate and interdistrict movement of pigs dated 2nd May 2020, strict advisory for farms dated 4th May 2020, protocol for containment and zoning, activation of ASF Task Force Rapid Response Team, 2nd May 2020, response plan for RRTs, date 30th July 2020, control room ASF reporting WhatsApp group, mapping of positive infected villages, sanitization and controlling home slaughter, compliance to strict biosecurity measures, holding of awareness program, telephonic briefing with headman, pamphlet distribution, inspection of pork stalls, holding radio talk, TV talks, YouTube videos, radio and TV jingles, print and digital media via Facebook, Instagram. Amount spent on the above activities is 2,38,740. Sir, the steps taken for piggery farmers are as follows. Conducting of awareness consultation, sanitization, regular checkup, provide free treatment, symptomatic including vitamins, mineral supplements, devising action plan for relaxation of restriction for ASF control, issuing SOP proposal for movement control in order to facilitate movement of pigs and pigs product from ASF safe areas. Meetings were held with stakeholders, Pig Butcher Association and pig farmers for consolidated views and opinions in opening of the restrictions.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I thank the Honorable Deputy CM for the extensive reply. So, as you can see from the figures at 3A, Liboi has been the most affected district, sir, with 298 pigs dying because of the African swine fever. So, in this regard, a lot of petitions have come, especially from the households and from the pig farmers that have been gravely affected by the African swine fever. Some of farmers have lost more than 20 pigs also. So there's a huge economic loss and livelihoods for the farmers at that point in time. I would request the government to kindly compensate the farmers with an equivalent number of pigs. 540, if you calculate, will be coming around 20 to 25 lakhs. So that will help to restart the activities, considering the efforts of the government regarding the piggery mission as well. So it will be very, very helpful, sir, if the farmers can be compensated with equivalent number of piglets that have died because of the African swine fever, sir. So I would urge the government for the compensations.
Yes, sir. I think the point raised by the honourable member is noted down, and I would like to also inform the honourable members of this August House. The department is working out. The total death of 540 will be also compensated accordingly. And now we are working out, and very soon this action will be accomplished.
Thank you, sir.